All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think we've been facing a little bit of some difficulties to come live right here, but we're back. And this is what we started with, okay? Are you getting me loud and clear? So confirm in the comment section. I think we're now back. We are now back, okay? We are now back. Just confirm in the comment section. Clear, Alex. Thank you so much. It's clear. It's clear. Is it visible enough here? Hi, Alex. Simonza. Alexander Simonza. You good? Are you guys seeing what the professor's written right over here? So the topic that we're doing today is calculus. So do a number of things in calculus. A number of things. So all what I want is for you to be following. Yes. Okay. So share the video. I think we were not okay. It wasn't that much okay. So to say it was not clear, maybe that's what I should say. But now it's very, very, very clear. So let me wait for more people to join. Okay. So we're doing calculus today. We are doing calculus. And calculus, you must know this sign. This is a sign they give. Okay? So the sign that you're able to see here, it means integration. Okay? So I'll show you some other things. So integration is the opposite of derivative or dy dx. So the moment you see something like this, just know that they're asking you to integrate this. So you're going to say equal to x power 2, okay, the power which is right here, and then you say plus a 1. Remember, integration, we always add a 1 to the power. And then the same thing, you divide it. So that's a 2 plus 1. And then we get this all power, you put it down here as a denominator. So that's how it works. And then you simplify, this would be x power 3 over 3 plus a c. That's how you get to integrate, okay? So the rule of integration is that just get the power which is there, add a 1 to the power, and get the new power, divide it. That's how it works. Okay. So now, what if you meet up something like this? Let me show you now something that is a little bit different. If you meet up something that looks like this, integral of 3x power 5 plus 4x minus 2. So if they ask you to integrate this, what you are going to do here is to always follow the rule of integration, which says that add a 1 to the power. So it will be 5 plus 1. It will give us a power 6. 5 plus 1, it's a power 6. Okay? And then, okay, somebody's asking that what does dy dx mean? What does it mean? dx, sorry, here, dx. So what is the meaning of this dx? Somebody's asking that what is the meaning of dx? So when you see dx, what does it mean in calculus? Can you tell me what is the meaning of dx in calculus integration? Can somebody say something about it? Do you know the meaning? So this dx, do you know the meaning of dx? Okay, so dx here, it just guides us to know the letter we are respecting. So you see this letter is the letter we are respecting. And what it means that we are respecting, we're not going to do anything to any other letter that we're going to see here, except the x letter. So for example, this 5, I mean, this x has got a power 5. So this x is what we are respecting inside here. Meaning wherever we see that letter, for example, here there is a power 5. We should add a 1. And that's what we've done over the new power, which is a 5 plus 1. Okay? And then say plus. There's a 4 here. X. What power is here? It's a power 1. So it will be 1 plus 1. Always is to add a 1 to the power. Okay? And then you say minus 2. Here, a number without a letter, you just introduce a letter. So that is a 2x. Okay? So from here, we can simply say this is a 3x power 6 over 6 plus 4x power 2 over a 2 minus 2x. Okay? So if you're able to see nicely, we can simplify here. 3 into 3, 1. Into 6, it's a 2. So this will be x power 6 over a 2. This 2 which is right here, plus here 2 into 2, it's a 1. Into 4, it's a 2. So we shall have a 2x power 2 minus 2x, okay, plus a c, which is a constant. So this is how we get to integrate. I know somebody may ask me that where is the c coming from? So when you're dealing with indefinite integral, like it is, this is an indefinite integral because there are no limits here. We don't have limits. There are no limits. We are supposed to end with a plus c. So the moment you see an integral sign like this, you integrate, end with a c right over here. Okay, is that clear, guys? Should we move on? Should we move on? Should we move on? Okay, so somebody has said it's clear. So please, guys, share the video. Share the video. Let's get to have more people. Though internet is bad in most of the areas, but this should not discourage us from doing this. Okay, so let's share the video. We move on. So another question on the same integration calculus. So I'm doing calculus. So I'll do dy dx for you and this one. So let's share the video. We need to get more people watching this. So the other question that I can give you, it's like this. I want you to see something. I want you to see something right here. So if I say integrate this question with respect to x, how is the answer going to be? So take your time, try to answer this one. Take your time, try to answer this one. What are you getting? What is it that you are getting? So try this question and let's see what you are going to get. Are you done solving? Are you done solving? So you meet a question like this. What are you supposed to do? We know that integration, we're supposed to be adding a 1 to the power. But look at this. There is a power 3 here. Are we also supposed to add a 1 to this power 3? Okay, so now let's do this. We shall say equal to, okay? Okay, so I can see Gideon is saying take x up and power 3 becomes a negative. So what is Gideon saying is saying that we copy what we have and then say x power negative 3 using the laws of indices. The way it is, we cannot integrate. So we have to make sure that this denominator goes on top. It's power 3 here. So it will have a power negative 3. Okay, it will change to power negative 3 right here. And when we do that, we can now integrate here. This will be x power 3 over 3. Because where there is power 2 here, you add a 1, it will be 2 plus 1, which will give us a power 3. And get this power 3, write it down here as a denominator. And then we say plus x power negative 2 over negative 2. So where is this negative 2 coming from? There is a power negative 3 here. You add a 1, it will be negative 3 plus 1, which will give us a negative 2. Okay. And from here, we can just simplify x power 3 over 3 minus x power negative 2 over a 2. So this negative that you're able to see right here and the positive, when they get divided, they'll give us a negative. And here we can say plus C, our answer right here. So the procedure is just the same. The only difference here is that this one, the variable which was down here, it moved on top there. It became a negative power. So the positive power here, power 3, became a negative power 3. Okay. Let's check out the next one. So this one, I want you to answer and comment it in the comment section before we look at some dy dx. So try to evaluate this one, the integral over x plus, the integral over 2x plus 3. This is yours. Tell me, what answer are you getting? What answer are you getting for this one? What answer are you getting? So tell me in the comment section the answer that you're getting. What answer are you getting for this one? What answer is it giving us? Who is giving us the first answer? I know internet is difficult in your area, but don't give up. What answer are you getting? The integral of 2x plus 3. What answer is it giving you? Okay, I can see Gideon is saying, okay, 2x squared plus 3x. Okay. Another person, Nelson, 2x squared plus 3x. That's Margaret, 2x squared plus 6. I mean 2x squared plus 3x. Yeah, that's what somebody's written. Yeah. Okay, so now let me show you how the answer is supposed to be. You're going to say equal to 2x power 2 over a 2. Remember, so your new power here should be divided. There's power 1 here. So 1 plus 1, it will give us a power 2. Now get this power 2, write it down here. And then you say plus 3x. Number without a letter, you always introduce a letter. So this and this will cancel out. We shall remain with x power 2 plus 3x plus c. So that's it. That is it. Okay. So let's do a little bit of some dy dx right here. We do a little bit of some dy dx right over here. Okay. So here, let's say you've been given given y is equal to 2x power 3 plus 4x. Find dy dx. So what you're going to do here, for you to find dy dx, you are simply going to say dy dx is equal to 6x power 2 plus a 4. This is the answer. So what have I just done here? You get the power which is here multiplied by the number which is in front. So that is 3 times 2, it will give us a 6. And then to the power here, you subtract a 1. So it will be 3 minus 1, which will give us a new power, which is a power 2. So remember, this is the opposite. Dy dx is the opposite of integration. With dy dx, you first multiply power by the coefficient, you get that number, and then you subtract a 1 from the power. Okay. To this one, there is a power 1 here. So 1 times 4, it's a 4. You subtract a 1 to this power, you shall have a power 0. So anything to the power 0, it's a 1. 1 times 4, it will just give us a 4. So when you see a number with a letter and a power 1, just write that number because this will give us a 0. In this case, it's a 4. Thank you so much, guys. I've given you a little bit of some warm-up right over here. If you need more, please join our online classes where we'll help you as much as we can. Thank you. The numbers, if you're more interested to join our online classes, the numbers that you can get in touch with us on are 096 917 5701 or 0974 63 20 97. This has been Sichamba Jacob, and bye-bye.